Hello, and welcome back to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time in Chucks and Chapstick, I ask that you go ahead and punch that subscribe button and then tap on that notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. However, if you're returning for more unboxing shenanigans, I'm about to give you what you want. Kind of. So, I got my trunk last week. It was a super busy week at work for me, so I was unable to actually film the unopening. Had to just go ahead and get everything tried on so I could figure out what I wanted and send it back. So, unfortunately, you won't be able to see me open up and talk about everything first. I'm going straight into the try-ons. Although, let's be real. Most people ain't looking at the unboxing portion anyway. They're looking at the try-on and then skedaddling. So, I just saved you some time. Hooray! Woohoo! So, if you stick around for just a few moments, you're going to see my April 2019 Trunk Club unopening. See you in a bit. So there are 4 pieces to the outfit. We'll start with the jacket by Blank NYC. It's very stretchy. It has this kind of cool mesh backing on it, but it's very comfortable. It's not stiff at all. And you'll see here, yeah, if you need to hulk out on a person, you can do it in this jacket. It's got pockets, and it's kind of a creamy white, not like a stark white. Then the next thing we have are these pants by City Chic. They don't have pockets, but they're crop length. On me, they're almost full length. And then we have these gold slip-on shoes that you kind of see there. Very comfortable. So I'm going to go ahead and take the jacket off here, and you see the Vince Camuto top. It's kind of a silky material. It's white, and it has a blush colored like top layer to it. Very thin, as you can see, and kind of see straight through it. Never mind the tune in Tokyo right now that you see. But very comfortable top, very pretty top. Again, the City Chic pants, they were way too big. Like, I probably could have went 2 sizes down because I'm drooping and swooping everywhere. But, yeah, they're very comfortable, though. Very swingy. And, again, you can tie them up. Yeah, you see how big those are? They're huge. But you can tie them up, tighten them up a little bit. I keep reaching for pockets. They're not there, girl. Quit reaching for them, girl. They're not there. So that's everything. Top from the back. I really like this outfit quite a bit. So what we have here is actually 2 pieces. We have the Good American jeans and we have the Vince Camuto top. With all of these ruffles, like I was going to be doing some bullfighting. I mean, conceptually it's cute, but the ruffles were just doing a lot. Now, I do like the off-the-shoulder look, and the top was comfortable. See, hey girl, hey girl, hey girl. Who, me? Yeah, you, girl. But, you know, it was a cute top. It just really wasn't necessarily my jam. But next we're going to take a look at these pants. They don't fit. These are Good American jeans. Like, I maybe needed 2 sizes bigger. They got plenty of stretch, as you can see. But no, they just didn't fit. They wouldn't even zip up. And they're $140. So that is a hell to the no, no, to the no, no, no. Now this here, right here, is a cute outfit. Now these jeans I already owned, and so are the boots. But I was sent the Eloquii top, and it's kind of have a leather look in the front. But in the back, it's kind of got this stretchy material. So it's not the same material. The only thing is that clearly, this top is too small for me. So, yeah, I thought it was cute. It just was too small. So you're going to see me hulking out here. You always got to pretend to hulk out. So you're about to see me do some moving around here. I'm moving around and it keeps coming up because it's too little. too little. So, but what I did was, because I did like this top and I like the concept of this top, I actually ordered it in a bigger size. So I'm looking forward to it, because this outfit would have been cute had the top actually fit correctly. Fat girl in a little shirt. Chubby girl in a little shirt. Yeah. Yeah, no. This top, not the jam. No stretch, no breathability, too small. I don't think I would have liked it even if it was the right size, but definitely didn't like it like this. Oh, look at sad little Osceola. Oh. Yeah, this was not a good fit, so bop bop. We have 4 things to cover here. The first thing is the Lost Ink pants in light brown. They have the little tab buttons at the front. This is probably a size too big, but if you can see, yeah, they kind of ride up in the middle because of my thighs, but they have pockets. They're kind of a wide leg pant that normally is a crop length, but a full length on me. It's got a zipper back. And then we also have this one state top, which although I'm not in love with the color, I think that the shape of it is absolutely gorgeous. I thought it was really cute pulled out. But I just like this top, and I will say that when I saw this in the trunk preview, I despised it, and I absolutely love it on. The next thing I have up here are these Steve Madden calf hair shoes. They fit wonderfully. Oh my God, they fit great. Again, I have wide flat feet and they fit great. But if you see, it kind of has some hair sticking off of it. And I think they're real calf hair, so I think that's the way they're supposed to be. But it was just kind of weirding me out. I already have a pair of like leopard print shoes, so I don't need another one. But they were super comfortable. So if you have wide flat feet, you might want to check out these Steve Maddens. And then the last thing we have here is this Soul Society purse. It's cute enough, but I'm not into novelty bags, so wasn't really my thing, but it was very, very cute. All right, so to wrap up my trunk club for April, this is my first time working with Kat. I saw the initial review and I said, here we go again. Same deal, different day. My initial review of my box revealed that I was running into the same situation that I've run into so often before. And that's that I wasn't being styled anywhere near according to the feedback and the information that I had given. In the past, I said that I had been dressed like a grandma. I don't think that was the proper term. It's not the appropriate term. What I'm being dressed like, in my mind, is the CEO of a company on Casual Friday. So when you think of fun, if you wear business suits 3 or 4 days a week, may not be the same as what I think of fun when jeans is my normal attire. Like the starting points are different, so that therefore the fun points might be different. That's the only thing I can think of, if that makes sense. So I responded, I gave Kat feedback. She replaced the items. It was well enough, whatever. But I'm sticking with Kat because I specifically requested Kat. She styles another YouTuber, plus size YouTuber. And the stuff that the other YouTuber gets is like, just send it to me. Just double up the boxes and send them to me, because seriously, she gets stuff. I would be broke if I got those boxes on a regular basis. She gets some phenomenal stuff, and Kat styles her. So I know it's possible. We just got to keep working together. Full faith and confidence. In the meantime, what did I keep? Gold sandals, Vince Camuto white camisole, and the top with the bow on it, except for I exchanged the colors because I wasn't quite sure about the yellow. I ended up getting the Eloquii top, the striped pants, and the tan pants from somewhere else, because when I looked on the internet, they were almost half price at other places. So why pay more money just because it's coming from Nordstrom? So that's just the bottom line, my friends. So anyway, this trunk was okay. I don't have a lot of complaints about it, but I just know that if I keep providing feedback and giving as much information as possible to my stylist, that she's eventually going to hit it out the park. So I'm not being a complaining bear. It is what it is. We'll just have to work together and get on the same page. So anyway, if you have any other place that you would like me to try, whether it's a subscription box service or whether it is a just regular store, just let me know. I'm up for new ideas. Just do it below. comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, do it below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye.